Welcome back once again to howtocookwithfood.com. On the menu today, we're going to make this delightful soup. Chicken and lentil soup. Lots going on in it, it's really easy. Onions, potatoes, lentils, chicken, paprika, Parmesan cheese, cream, delicious. Just going to take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's first of all start with these ingredients. All of the ingredients, by the way, are going to be, and the amounts are going to be in the text below. We've got half a chicken there, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, paprika and thyme. We're going to start this off first of all, then we're going to add quite a lot more. So you're going to need some large pot that has a lid. In here I've got some oil. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using something different if you want. We're going to pop in that onion, our garlic, and 2 to 3 minutes we're just going to get these on the move. Good stuff. We're now going to add in our seasoning: salt, pepper, paprika and thyme. Now of course you could be really playing around with that and putting something else in. That's what I'm going with today. Then we're going to add our chicken. In it goes. We're just going to fry this around for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add liquid to it and then really boil this chicken out and get it going, because we want to take this out later and take all the chicken off the bone. So 4 to 5 minutes now, then I'm back. Okay, and there we go. So this chicken is obviously nowhere near cooked. We've just got a little bit of a head start on it. We're now going to add liquid. I'm going to add water. And that goes. Now if you want, you could be using a stock or something like that. But yeah, water's fine for me. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get a lid on this, bring it to the boil, then turn the boil down, turn it down so it's on a rolling boil. We want to go for about 20 to 30 minutes because we need that meat to fall off the bone there. So about 20 to 30 minutes should do it once it reaches boiling point. Okay, and while our chicken is boiling away there, let's just take a look at some other ingredients. We've got potatoes and tomatoes, about equal parts. And then here I've got some red dal, which has been washed. Once that chicken comes out, these guys are going to go in. Okay, let's take a look now. It's been going for about 30 minutes. That's cooked nicely now. So I need to get this out, set it to one side, let it cool down, and then we're going to take all of the chicken off the bone. What we're going to do now is add to this our lentils, our tomatoes, and our potatoes. And on a rolling boil, we want that now to go for about another 20 to 25 minutes. You can give it a stir every now and then. Okay, there you go. So those potatoes are really soft, the dal's cooked really nicely. What we're going to do now is liquidize it. Now, I've got one of these guys that goes in and, you know, you give it all that. So I'm going to do that. It's going to take like 2 or 3 minutes, then I'll be back. Okay, and there you go. Now if you haven't got one of these, buy one. They're really, really cheap. We use it all the time. They're great for sauces and salad dressings and stuff like that. They really are. There's hundreds of different makes. You can get one really, really cheap. So what we're going to do now, we've got our chicken, taking all the bones off it. So it's just chicken meat now. A little bit of skin. I don't mind the skin in there. We're going to chop that in. And the heat's on low now. Just let that go for about another 3 to 4 minutes. We're very nearly there. Okay, we can turn the heat off now. And that is beautiful. Check that for salt and pepper. It's fine for me. I just had a little taste. Now, optional, Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, some fresh parsley. And here I've got 200 ml of cream. I'm using a thick cream, like a double cream. You could be using single cream if you want. With the heat off now, just mix that in and you've got yourself an incredibly beautifully smooth, creamy chicken lentil soup. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.